In this video, I reveal a unique method for making free PayPal money in 2022 simply by viewing web movies, allowing you to earn up to $600 every day. The question is, how do we get there? It's about to be revealed to us. Here's the deal on how to get money by watching videos on YouTube. First things first, pull out your phone. Next, you have to watch a quick movie or video on YouTube. Lastly, withdraw your funds using a variety of methods including PayPal. You can get up to $3 for watching a video, and if you view 20 videos per week, you'll get $60. You make $600 a week if you watch 200 videos per day. This method is free of charge and suitable for novices. Making money requires no upfront cost. The fact that this technique can be used everywhere in the world is undoubtedly its greatest advantage. The bottom line is that you can expect to make money regardless of where you are in the world you happen to be, and you can begin this now. If you want to join after this approach, I will show you how to do it and tell you what videos to watch to maximize your earnings. Just a moment as I quickly run through the steps on how you can accomplish this. Please leave a comment below if this applies to you. My country is blank. That way I'll have no doubts about your origins. This will help me target future videos, especially towards you. Please identify your nation by commenting below. Please stay with me until the very end of this movie, as I have a special treat in store for you. Before we start, I'd like to introduce you to our channel. Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we provide strategies and ideas to help you reach financial independence. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment below or press the notification bell to be notified anytime we release a new video. With all of that said, let's get started on this new technique. Let's jump right in. A quick glance at the timer reveals that this video on YouTube clocks in at slightly over a minute. You can expect to make $3 every video if you fit this description. Videos like this can be seen on computer or mobile phone. Please visit this webpage first and foremost. There are no costs associated with using this site, and no upfront money is required. You may get paid to do things like fill out surveys, play games, and view videos on this site. For the time being, though, we will be concentrating on video viewing, as this appears to be the quickest, easiest, and most lucrative option available. One of the nicest features of the service is the $1 bonus new users receive just for creating an account. You can do so by filling out the fields below with your first name, email address, username, and password. Additionally, in the nation field, use the arrow down to the right to reveal a list of options. Also, many other nations may attest to their openness. In short, it doesn't matter where you're starting from, you can get started right now. And you can make a lot of money online. After you've read the privacy statement and the membership agreement, you can sign up by clicking the box below. Although the site accepts a variety of payment methods, I suggest using PayPal if at all possible. Opportunities to make money online abound on the site. This website is fantastic because of its big payouts. In this article, you will learn that your potential earnings range from 65% to 85%. Not like competing services that only give you a discount of 60% to 70%. To complete the sign-up process, they will direct you here. Here you can see that you will receive a $1 credit for every 100 points you earn. The minimum withdrawal amount for PayPal, Bitcoin, and e-gift cards is $7. Just click the link down here to proceed. After you do that, you'll be able to enter your account details and begin using the service. A view of the control panel like this is provided. This is the proof that I receive a $1 incentive for signing up. The possible earnings from completing the offers is also displayed here. The firms and their deals can be viewed in this section of the website. Some of the most reliable businesses in the world are listed here. You can make a lot of money by completing these offers, but as I mentioned before, we're going to put our attention on viewing YouTube videos because they pay the most and are the easiest to complete. Also keep in mind that some of the deals are only accessible for a short time, therefore you should hurry up and finish them. For the time and effort I put into making this video, I greatly appreciate it if you could click the like button and turn on notifications for my channel. Plus, if this video receives 2,000 likes, I'll upload a new one next week detailing how you can make even more money from home by doing similar tasks online. You can watch videos for cash by clicking the link that says videos above. This table shows that for every 200 points you acquire, you will receive a silver token worth between $1 and $3. What I appreciate about it is that there is a wide variety of video content available to see, like cooking demonstrations, music videos, viral videos, video game playthroughs, and so on. Clicking on this button will immediately bring you to the website where the video is hosted. This clip lasts for somewhat longer than a minute, as can be seen. The best thing is that you can make between $1 and $3 with just one video. Wow, that's incredible. So we've given it the catchy name, gg2u.org. In keeping with what I promised, here are some bonus pointers for you, my dedicated subscribers and viewers. Check out videos across all my channels simultaneously. Take in every video you can, whether it's in the food, music, viral, gaming, etc. categories. To do this, open each browser in a new tab. This will allow you to watch videos from multiple categories simultaneously across multiple devices. You can watch the videos on many devices at once, so long as you have enough phones and laptops. Here's where the real money lies. You don't have to actually view the videos to make money. You can run them in the background while you tend to do other businesses, and you'll still be making money. So that's all there is to it. In the year 2022, this is the exact method by which one can earn money only by watching videos on YouTube. And now if you want to make even more money, click the first link in the description down below to learn how to get paid $500 per day to watch YouTube videos. A novel strategy to earn free PayPal money for merely watching easy and brief videos that anyone, even those with no prior experience, can do. That video over there will show you how it's done, so give it a look if you're interested. So, what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as a primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please click the like button below. If you're interested in learning more about how to earn money online, feel free to watch our other videos. Since I post new videos every day, you should subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified whenever a new one is available. As always, I appreciate your time and I hope to see you in our future videos.